On this video, I will answer the question how a titanium cutting board can help protect your family. Now, most people in North America buy their meat from the grocery store. And when you buy your meat from a grocery store, you have absolutely no idea how many people handled it. Did they do their job right? Did they fudge a little bit? And that introduces the possibility that the meat that you bring home for your family may be contaminated with salmonella. And that's why this titanium cutting board helps protect your family. Unlike a cutting board like this one here that I've been using for a long time, it has a lot of scratches and cuts in it. And therefore, if the meat were contaminated with salmonella, it could migrate into there and make it very difficult to get that out. And of course, when salmonella gets on a surface, it just continues to breed and breed and breed. Now, the folks at SUMZZZ sent me this at no charge so that I could check it out. And I got to tell you, I'm impressed. This cutting board is made from 99.9% pure titanium on one side and a food grade polypropylene on the other side. It's 16 inches by 11 inches and has a handle along with a trough on the polypropylene side to catch any juices from fruits or vegetables you happen to be cutting. So the answer to the question is, why do you need a titanium cutting board? And the answer is, it's 99.9% titanium, which means you're not going to be able to slice it with a knife to allow salmonella to get inside. I definitely recommend it.